Hi, hello friends. Visual Studio 2022 about to be released by Microsoft on 8th November. Before that, they are keep on releasing the preview releases. This video going to explain about the preview release of Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 and its features. Now we are going to download the preview release 7 from the net. Go to google.com and type Visual Studio 2022. Download the Visual Studio preview by clicking on the link provided by the Google. It has a lot of features. Mainly, it will be a 64-bit application. There is no restriction for 4 GB for main memory, and it continues to support 32-bit application also. You won't face out of memory issue for big and complex solutions. You can edit and run the application without any issues. It's a lightweight and contains hot release capability, instantly fix the code and run while debugging, and .NET 6, C#, C++ 20, tooling IntelliSense support, Azure for cloud-based application development, IntelliCode improvements, look and feel, enhanced code debugging, and improved code search. Find files is very easy now, and live share. It also supports the repos of Git and GitHub and Mac IDE support. Three types of downloads are available. One is Visual Studio Community and Professional and Enterprise. If you are having license, you can go for Professional and Enterprise once it's released. Now I am going to download the community version of Visual Studios 2022. Once you click on download, it will download the Visual Studio 2022 preview release. If it is not able to download it, you can click here to retry button once again to download it. The download has started. It is downloading. You can get the pop-up window of Visual Studio installer. And installing the Visual Studio 2022. It is faster than the previous releases. The installation window is open now. We have workloads, individual components, language pack, and installation locations. The workload contains many sections. One is web and cloud, desktop and mobile. The web and cloud contains ASP.NET and web development, Python development, Azure development, Node.js development, and desktop and mobile development contains the mobile development with .NET, .NET desktop development, gaming, other toolsets, and Linux development with C++. Based on the project requirement, you can select the checkbox, and now we can go for individual components. The individual components contains the frameworks. Whatever the frameworks we have needed, you can select those using the checkbox. .NET 5.0, 6.0 and .NET Core 3.1 runtime, and select the language. Installation location. Select the location you want to install and download catch file location and the shared components, tools and SDKs location. Once you have provided the locations, you can click on install. The installation process started. The installation process takes few minutes. The installation completed. Go to menu Visual Studio 2022 preview. Click on it. The Visual Studio 2022 will be opened. And click on the new project. The new project contains many project templates. This is categorized into 3 tabs: all languages, all platform, and all project types. The all languages contains the C#, C++, F#, JavaScript, Python, Query language, TypeScript, Visual Basic. Various project templates are available for project development. Another tab, All Platform, contains various platforms like Android, Azure, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, tvOS, Windows, Xbox. Based on our requirement, we can select the language and platform and project types. The upcoming videos will explain about the languages and platforms and project types. Based on that, what are the projects templates are available and how it can be used. It will be explained in the upcoming videos. Now we are going to see about the all project types. It contains cloud, console, desktop, extensions, games, IoT, library, machine learning, mobile office, service, stream analytics, test, UWP, web, etc. I can select the language and platform and project type based on the project requirement. Here the templates are loaded based on the option whichever we have chosen on the workload while installation. If you want more templates and other tools, you can download it from the net. Another feature is search for templates. Facility used to search the templates listed below. I am selecting the ASP.NET Core web app with the C# and Windows environment, and based on the project type is web. Click on the next button. You will get the project details window. Here you can provide your project name, location of the project, solution name. Default it will contain as web application 1 and location as C:sample app and solution name as web application 1. Provide the project name, location, solution name as per your requirement and click on the next button. The next framework details window will appear. You can select the framework .NET 6.0. Authentication type as none. Otherwise, you can give the individual accounts or Microsoft Identity Platform or Windows. If you want to enable the Docker, you can select the checkbox Enable Docker. And you can select the Docker OS as Linux or Windows. Here I have selected as Linux and click on the Create button. The Visual Studio project will be created. It will take some time for creating the project, but it is faster than the previous release. The Visual Studio 2022 is loaded. Right side with the Solution Explorer and left side with the toolbox and overview windows. And other menu items are available. Along with the Solution Explorer, you can see the JIT Changes tab. You can click on JIT Changes. Here you can initialize, backup or share your repository or create your JIT repository or clone your JIT repository. It's a new feature. We have enabled the Docker option while creating the project. So this window provides the details about the Dockers. If we are having any Docker information and dependencies or connected services, you can provide here. We can start our Docker desktop here. Publish will provide the deployment details. Here you can publish your solution and you create your publish profile also. Go to Solution Explorer, Project Properties. You can see the common properties, start a project, project dependencies, code analysis settings, debug source files, etc. Go to Project Properties. You are having so many options: applications, build, packages, code analysis, debug, resources, TypeScripts. So many options are categorized into these menus. You can select each category and check the options available. In general, you have output type, target framework, and target OS, etc. So you select your target framework which you need to build. The upcoming videos will explain these options and features separately. Now we can just go through the options available here. That's it. It will give you the overall picture of downloading the Visual Studio 2020 Preview Release 7 and how to install it and how we can open a new project in Visual Studio 2022. The upcoming videos will explain the features of Visual Studio 2022 one by one. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy learning!